Most people use ChatGPT like a simple chatbot. But if you dig a little deeper, you'll find tools that can save time, organize work, help you study, connect with other apps, and even help build websites. In this video, I'm showing you 5 hidden ChatGPT features you're probably not using. Let's get started. Feature 1. Scheduled tasks. This is one of the most practical features inside ChatGPT. Instead of doing everything right now, you can schedule a task and let ChatGPT handle it later. Here you can see existing tasks, open a scheduled task, edit it, change the time, and manage the task whenever you want. You can also run it now, pause it, resume it, or delete it. That means ChatGPT is not just answering prompts in the moment. It can also help you automate repeat work in the background. If you create reports, reminders, content ideas, or recurring summaries, this feature is incredibly useful. Feature 2. Smart projects. Most people keep random chats everywhere. Projects give you a cleaner way to work. You can create a dedicated project, name it, open it, and keep related chats in one place. That makes it easier to organize ideas, keep context together, and separate one workflow from another. For example, you can have one project for YouTube, another for research, and another for business tasks. Instead of starting from zero every time, ChatGPT stays focused on the work inside that project. If you want a more structured workflow, Projects is a hidden gem. Feature 3. Study mode. This feature is especially powerful for students, self-learners, and anyone trying to understand a topic instead of just getting a quick answer. Here I ask ChatGPT to teach compound interest. Instead of dropping only a short response, it explains the idea step by step, shows a formula, gives an example, and then checks understanding with questions. That is the big difference. Study mode is designed to teach you, not just answer you. So if you want ChatGPT to act more like a tutor than a chatbot, this is one of the best features to try. Feature 4. Apps and plugins. This is where ChatGPT becomes much more flexible. You can connect tools and services, so ChatGPT can work with them inside your workflow. In this example, you can see the plugins area and an app connection flow. This opens the door to using ChatGPT with tools like design apps, productivity tools, calendars, documents, and much more. The value here is not just having another AI feature. It's being able to extend ChatGPT and make it more useful for real work. If you want better automation and more connected workflows, apps and plugins matter a lot. Feature 5. Sites. This is one of the most surprising features. Instead of only generating text, ChatGPT can help you create a website from a prompt. You can start by describing what you want, and ChatGPT begins planning the site structure. Even in this short demo, you can already see the direction, turning an idea into a web page workflow. Depending on your setup, some actions may require work credits, but the feature itself shows how far ChatGPT has moved beyond simple chat. For creators, freelancers, and businesses, this can become a fast way to prototype landing pages and simple sites. So those were 5 hidden ChatGPT features you're probably not using. Scheduled tasks, smart projects, study mode, apps and plugins and sites. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more practical AI tools, smart workflows, and real demonstrations, subscribe to Fisi Tech Lab. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.